Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I hope you guys are not hearing any background noise, but if you do, please ignore. It gets better. So this is my new apartment, and the person that stayed here before me was really dirty. This is what she left the apartment with. And if you're seeing a bucket of paint, I painted this apartment by myself because the previous person here didn't paint the apartment at all. The person basically stayed here with a plastered wall, and I don't know why. So this was the condition she left the apartment, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a very deep cleaning. This video is going to be in two parts, so this is part one of the cleaning. I'm still going to post the part two of this cleaning video. So I just did the majority of the work today by getting rid of the dirt and cleaning for the first time. I'm still going to do a second cleaning before I actually move in. So I actually looked around, and I want to show you guys what the place looks like before I start cleaning. So take a look around before I start. So I had to sweep twice before I actually started mopping the house, and even when I was mopping the house I was still seeing sand. So I actually cleaned the house twice, then I mopped the house, and I still swept the house again when the floor was completely clean. So you guys are going to see everything in this video. It is quite self-explanatory, so in case you're feeling lazy and you don't know how to clean your house, this video should be like an inspiration for you to get up and clean your houses. So guys, we just did the first layer of painting yesterday. Like, we did the first and second coating yesterday, and we still have quite a little bit of paint left. So we're going to paint the rest of the house. We've not painted the balcony, and I've not painted the slab in the kitchen, so we still have a lot to do, but I decided to clean first before we continue with the painting job.
Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the guys out. I'm a mindless you the talk, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy and I know that get boss like the Baba Frayo. Don't cry, yo.
So guys, I don't know if you guys can see how the floor looks now. It looks better. I still swept the floor again after this particular clip you're seeing because I felt I was still seeing sand, and this was the nasty kitchen. I managed to keep it to actually get it to look like this, and this particular wall you're seeing here is going to be painted, so that will be in a separate video when I'm doing my kitchen makeover or apartment makeover. I'm just still going to film that video And if you guys like this kind of cleaning motivation videos, or you want to see my living alone vlogs or my mini vlogs, my daily vlogs, go ahead and like this video. So this was what the apartment looked like by the time I was done cleaning. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Why you say I did nothing for